We have just acquired this absolutely superb Mercedes SLK250 CDI AMG Sport. It's the facelift model. It also has the upgraded big grille there. It's got the full AMG body styling kit, front and rear parking sensors, unmarked gloss alloy wheels, all running on Continental Sport tyres. As you can see there, the reverse parking sensors. Got electric windows, electric mirrors. Inside the car, just turn it on. All the warning lights go on and off. It's got multifunction steering wheel. It's got air conditioning. Full leather seats. Roof's fully electrically operated. Does have the connection for the satellite navigation, but you would just have to buy the module for it. And you've got Bluetooth. It's got cruise control. So at DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.